Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, I ran 5 miles. Believe it or not, I ran 5 miles. Believe it or not, they won the game. Believe it or not, they won the game. It's not my thing to. It's not my thing to. It's not my thing to go to loud parties. It's not my thing to go to loud parties. It's not my thing to eat spicy food. It's not my thing to eat spicy food. I will be back in. I will be back in. I will be back in 10 minutes. I will be back in 10 minutes. I will be back in a few days. I will be back in a few days. It's easy to. It's easy to. It's easy to learn basic English. It's easy to learn basic English. It's easy to make mistakes. It's easy to make mistakes. The bad news is. The bad news is. The bad news is the shop is closed. The bad news is the shop is closed. The bad news is I lost my phone. The bad news is I lost my phone. It's not my fault that. It's not my fault that. It's not my fault that the bus was late. It's not my fault that the bus was late. It's not my fault that the computer stopped working. It's not my fault that the computer stopped working. The best thing is. The best thing is. The best thing is the view. The best thing is the view. The best thing is the food. The best thing is the food. The next time I visit, I will stay longer. The next time I visit, I will stay longer. The next time I see him, I will ask. The next time I see him, I will ask. All of a sudden. All of a sudden. All of a sudden, the lights went out. All of a sudden, the lights went out. All of a sudden, it started to rain. All of a sudden, it started to rain. There is no way. There is no way. There is no way I can finish today. There is no way I can finish today. There is no way he forgot. There is no way he forgot. The important thing is. The important thing is. The important thing is to try. The important thing is to try. The important thing is to learn. The important thing is to learn. As usual. As usual. As usual, he arrived late. As usual, he arrived late. As usual, the train is crowded. As usual, the train is crowded. I have a plan. I have a plan. I have a plan for tonight. I have a plan for tonight. I have a plan for the trip. I have a plan for the trip. So far, I like this job. So far, I like this job. So far, the trip is great. So far, the trip is great. No worries. No worries. No worries, I can help you. No worries, I can help you. No worries, take your time. No worries, take your time.